Hi, welcome to Positively Sassy. My name is Laura, and I'm the owner of Positively Sassy LLC. I created this channel just so I could bring you positive goodies that you can use in your everyday life. You will be able to see how I create these items, how to use them, and why you should use them. You will see, expect to hear from my animals, my friends, my family, as well as an occasional goodie or freebie and product collection lines. You will learn about my story and my background. I have a lot of stories. I've been through a lot of things in my life. I am more than happy to share those things with you. Maybe you'll be able to relate to them, maybe not. I don't know. If you keep watching, you may even have the chance to help me create new items for you and your friends. And in the meantime, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you come back soon. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you see the little bell, don't forget to hit that. That way you can be updated whenever I come online and update a new video. In the meantime, much love to you, and you have a great day. Bye.